Good medical morning. This is Watson from World's Greatest Medical, and today we're going to look at some educational popping clips. Before we get started, check out this comedone extraction video. I'll put a link to my favorite pimple popper tools below, but do you think this is caused by poor hygiene, or is it caused by something else? Also, stick around to the end, because we'll show you more from this massive ingrown hair at the very end of the video. Next is the excision of what appears to be a keratin-filled epidermoid cyst. The care provider is wearing nitrile gloves to help prevent the spread of infection, and they created an excision hole with something similar to a lancet. Next, we have a beautiful baby girl who's recovering from her heart surgery. Click like for this little hero. This image came to us without much explanation. We asked our fans if they knew what it was. Some said psoriasis. Others said hair transplant. One was sure it was an allergic reaction. Let's take another look. What do you think it is? Alright folks, remember the ingrown hair? We'll give you one more look at the end of the video.